Okay, so in question 10 we have this situation. We're told that each day during July 50 kilograms of tea berries ripen. So that means that each day 50 kilograms of new fruit ripen. So that's an important point. Fruit pickers estimate that 80% of ripe fruit is picked daily. So if 80% is picked, it means that what is left is 20%, or 0.2 of the day before's fruit. So you could call that 0.2 of UN minus 1 or 0.2 of UN, depending on how you want to construct your recurrence relation. Okay, and then on July the 1st, so the first day of the month, the original weight was 3,000 kilograms. So on July the 1st, let's call that U1, then the original weight is 3,000 kilograms. So we need to construct a recurrence relation for the weight of the ripe fruit. So on any particular day, let's call that day UN, but you could use UN plus 1. Let me write that in a different colour. Okay, so you've got two different options for how this looks, but they're both going to generate the right recurrence relation for you. What we've said is that there's 0.2 left of the previous day's fruit because it's going to get picked. Okay, so that means we've got 0.2. Okay, 80% is gone, so 20% is left. 0.2, in this case it would be UN minus 1 if we've started with UN, it's one day before, or if you prefer, you could have 0.2 UN. Remember, as I said, these both are going to yield the same answers, it's just a slightly different way to construct the recurrence relation. Okay, but then every day 50 kilograms of the berries ripen. So every day we're adding on another 50 kilograms to our amount that's available for picking. So that's how we construct the recurrence relation. We've got 0.2 because 20% are left of the previous day's amount plus the new 50 kilograms of fruit that is ripened. Okay, now from there, in part B, it asks us what's the estimated weight of ripe fruit available on the 9th of July. So the 9th of July is effectively, if we go back to the start, we called U1 3,000 for the 1st of July. So we're looking at U9. So U9 is what we're going to have to try and work out. Okay. So what have we got? Well, I'm going to actually use this idea that we've got U1 equals 3,000. Okay, now it probably makes more sense kind of notational wise to use either of these. It doesn't really matter, totally up to you. Okay, but you're just going to have to plug your way through now. So U2 would be 0.2 U1 plus 50, and you're going to put that in there and keep going until you get all the way down to U9. Okay, hopefully that helps, but if not, let me know.